Alright, listen up. You think you missed the AI boat because you can't code? Wrong, the game has changed. You can leverage existing AI tools to provide insane value. Want to start an AI business with zero tech skills? Here's how. Businesses need automation, but lack the know-how. That's where you come in. Lean in, because we're about to break it down. So, what even is an AI automation business? It's about solving problems using off-the-shelf AI tools. Think of all the repetitive tasks in businesses. That's your playground. You're not building AI, you're using it to make businesses run smoother. Leverage tools from companies like OpenAI and Google to solve real business problems. You're the bridge between complex technology and practical business results. Now, what do you actually do? Start with simple, high-value services. Email follow-ups. Automate and personalize entire sequences. Lead management. Qualify and segment leads automatically. Content automation. Use AI to draft and schedule social media posts and newsletters. These services are easy to understand, easy to sell, and provide immediate value. Get your foot in the door and prove your worth. Let's talk tools. The rise of no-code tools in 2025 is a game changer. You don't need to code to build effective automation systems. Tools like Zapier and Make connect apps and automate tasks. ChatGPT helps with content generation and brainstorming. Notion organizes projects and client information. Canva handles simple design needs. This stack using Zapier, Make, ChatGPT, Notion and Canva is all you need to start. Deliver serious value without writing a single line of code. You've got the knowledge and tools, now you need clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of businesses looking for automation help. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract clients. Local outreach is underrated. Think about businesses in your town. Offer free consultations to diagnose automation opportunities. Consistent effort across multiple channels is key. Commit and don't give up. Pricing is crucial. Don't undervalue yourself. You're selling results, not hours. Offer project-based pricing for specific automation setups. Monthly retainers provide recurring revenue. Create tiered service packages to give clients choices. Focus on the benefits and ROI for the client. Price confidently based on the value you deliver. Scaling your business is the next challenge. Use white labeling or subcontracting to handle more work. Focus on sales, client relationships, and strategy. Create templates and standard operating procedures. Document every step of your services for efficiency. Systematize, templatize, document. Build a business that can grow without burnout. The blueprint is here. The opportunity is enormous, the path is clear, but it's not going to be easy. The AI revolution is creating new avenues for entrepreneurs. Ready to build your AI business in 2025? Start today. Take one thing from this video and implement it now. 2025 is your year to make a real impact with AI. Let's go.